It smells so bad right here. Oh, I forgot. They have like chickens and cows and all that crap over here. Literally. Oh my god. It is a nice Chevy truck though. I just don't want it right here, right now, you know? Oh yeah, four-way stop. Oh yeah, safety first. Safety first. Hi doggy. Hi doggy. And now there's a cop behind me. Ugh. I'm literally turning because of the cop. That was a bad idea because the cop station is up here, so I already know where he's going. Ugh. I have to do a circle because that cop scared me because I was speeding through there and I don't know if he saw me or not. I was trying to get away and oh my god. It is Independence Day, guys. Happy 4th of July. God bless America. Land of the free, home of the brave. Oh yeah, 1776, brother. Oh, Billy. I honestly have no idea where I'm going. This is just a fun road to cruise on, so I thought I'd do that. I swear, I thought the road was more open up here. Like, I thought it had, like, 3 or 4 lanes at one point. I don't remember how far up that was, though. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm not even on the right road. Because, like I said, I have no idea where I'm going. I've only been on this road, I think, one time before. And that was on my last bike. Oh, yeah, there's the other entrance to Lake Arrowhead. That's right. But it's such a nice day out. Oh man, this might be the first July 4th in years that it hasn't rained. Man, I know, not last year, it rained like before the fireworks started last year, but the year before that, we had to watch the finale from like inside our car because it was pouring. Like, I mean, it was a storm up in there. This may be the first July 4th in a long time where it's actually clear weather, which is pretty awesome. I hope it is. That also means it's gonna be a little more hot, but you know, it's whatevs, it's whatevs. For real though, everybody, I know it's like happy July 4th, but remember what you're celebrating. It's Independence Day. It's a good day to be an American. And there are a lot of people that are celebrating July 4th that we're talking about how they hate America and how bad America is. And they're gonna be out there like really living it up with their American flags. And I know some of those people. I see them posting on Facebook and stuff about how awful America is and how bad President Trump is and how America hates everybody that ain't white and all that good stuff. Which, I mean, is incredibly stupid in my opinion. Whatever. You can have your own opinion. Whatever. But those people that are posting all that are the same ones that have like already posted this morning like Happy July 4th and have taken pictures of like their American flag tank tops and all that, and I'm like, okay, are you proud to be an American or not? Like, I don't know, I can't tell. You're a hypocrite. There's no reason to pass this dude. He's going like 85. Eventually up here I'm gonna find a turnaround point because I seriously have no idea where this road goes. It's just really fun. It's a fun road. Also, I have no idea what my gas is at. I mean, my gas light isn't on, so I guess that's good. Woo, Lotus! Actually, matter of fact, I think I'm gonna go catch up to that Lotus. Perhaps. Got hit by a rock. such a good looking car. It's so tiny though. It's like a little Hot Wheels car. Especially if you see it parked like in a parking space between two normal sized cars. It's kind of funny. Oh man. I want one of those. I think we weigh the same. Just kidding, just kidding. I know he can take corners better than I can, because I'm still not great at cornering. I'm not like, I haven't practiced that a ton, so I'm not the best. Not the worst though. I can at least do it without wrecking. Most of the time. Nothing like America Day to be out here in your British sports car. It's okay, I'm on a Japanese bike. I can't really say anything. I don't know which way he's gonna turn, but I might follow him. Not to be creepy, but to like get on a straightaway and pass him. Or to be creepy. Either way, I don't know. I don't have my water gun with me. I could be shooting at him. Ah, man, I should have brought my water gun. Pew pew! America! I remember this road being a lot more straight, but I don't know. It has been a long time. Lotus Evora 400. What a beautiful British sports car. I'm a German car guy. You know, Porsche and Mercedes and Audi. Although Britain does have Rolls-Royce, so points for that. Skilly-doop-doop, skilly-doop-doop. Alright, let's see which way this guy's gonna go. If he goes straight or left, I'll follow him. If he's turning right, I'm not gonna do that. I don't feel like going down there right now. Ah, you just had to. You just had to go right. Oh man, that is such a nice car. Oh. Well, I'm bored.